My name is Zane, and this is Altcoin Disrupt. Today we'll be talking about MicroStrategies. Sells off 1 billion of debt to buy more Bitcoin. I'd like to make this video short and sweet, but this is not financial advice. In fact, this video is not about financial advice. This video is for educational purposes and entertainment, and ultimately sharing news. So let's get into it. Um, MicroStrategies, the tech company known for its significant Bitcoin stores, has completed its offering of 1 billion or 1.05 billion in convertible senior notes, a windfall. The company intends to invest in even more Bitcoin. And I can't disagree. I cannot disagree with this decision. Investing in Bitcoin is a brilliant move for many companies and many people. I just can't disagree with this. It completely makes sense to invest in Bitcoin, especially right now. It's already proven that it can break through the 1 trillion market cap. It's already proven it can break through the $50,000 price price bracket. It's proven itself. A convertible senior note is a kind of debt security that can be either converted into shares or bought back by their issuer. These are set to mature in 2027, but MicroStrategy can buy them back in 2024. Sales IDs can be a good way for a company to raise cash. If it can handle the interest payment to investors, the company announced a debt sell off earlier this week, and it said intends to use the net proceeds from the sale of the notes to acquire additional Bitcoin, though the exact amount isn't specific. Of course, it isn't specific. Of course not. And there's another article right there from January 22nd of this year. MicroStrategy buy another 10 million in Bitcoin. And if this was at the 31,000 price and Bitcoin is now worth at least, I'd say, what's that, 40% more, 35% more, it simply means that they've gained around 3.5 or 4 million on top of their 10 million investment. And that's just the beginning. That's simply the beginning. There's much more to be gained. So let's continue. MicroStrategy has pulled off this maneuver before. It sold 400 million in convertible senior notes in December and then promptly bought 10 million worth of Bitcoin in January. Brilliant move, and I think they want to do more. They've seen the potential, they've had a taste, and now they know there's a lot of gold sitting right there ready to be claimed, and everyone want their own slice. And can you disagree? You can't disagree. CEO Michael Saylor remains an unabashed crypto evangelist and continues to beat the drum for Bitcoin on the institutional level. The company is currently sitting over 40,000 Bitcoin. Wow, I wish I had at least 1 Bitcoin. I'd take 100 Bitcoin at this moment, which is about 3.5 billion. Wow. Wow. The company is currently sitting on over 70,000 Bitcoin, which is worth 3.7 billion. Wow. Guys, let that sink in. Please understand, let that sink in. It works out for MicroStrategy so far. The shares price soared up in its first installment in August of last year, but not everyone is happy. Analysts at Citi recently downgraded the company's stocks, citing over-reliance on Bitcoin. You know what? I'm gonna look at their stocks right now and see how much it is because I'm curious. Any company that's investing in Bitcoin, I'm interested in investing in that company because in my mind, How is that company going to fail when Bitcoin is rising? They're always going to have a pool of money to invest back into their company. Well, not always, but as long as Bitcoin is rising, they won't fail. They simply won't. It looks like their shares price is well over $900. Damn, look at that. So it's a business intelligence company. You're more than welcome, guys, to research about this company. I don't know much about this company, but I certainly will do more research about this company. Now, let's get to the next article. MicroStrategies buy another 10 million in Bitcoin. I've already said this. You guys know about this. But let's just dig a bit deeper into it, okay? Let's just get to the full grips and understand what they've done, what's really going on. The Bitcoin intelligence firm MicroStrategy. Bitcoin, I said Bitcoin, my mistake, guys. I mean business intelligence firm MicroStrategies has bought a further 10 million in Bitcoin. According to an SEC filing, it bought an additional 314 Bitcoin at an average price of 31,000. This article said that they had over 70,000 Bitcoin. That's what this article said. It said the company is currently sitting on over 70,000 Bitcoin. So it looks as if they've been buying Bitcoin for a long time. So let's continue. MicroStrategy now holds 70,784 Bitcoin in total. According to the filing, this puts the firm an average purchase price of 16,000 per coin. This is higher than it was previously, but because the firm purchased these coins, the newer coins, at a much higher price than its earlier purchases. Interesting. I use this strategy as well. When something is high but it's a good company, I buy my shares or buy my crypto, and when it falls, guess what I do? I buy more. So I can't lose. So if it goes down, guess what? I already bought when it was down. If it goes up, I'm winning because I already bought when it was low and I bought when it was up. So I'm winning. That's how you win, guys. That's how you win. In December, the firm completed its purchase of 29,000 Bitcoin, bringing its total to 70,000. Wow. They purchased 29,000 Bitcoin all at once? Goodness. Michael Slater, though. Michael Slater. I've heard of this guy before, but he wasn't always interested in Bitcoin, was he? I swear I heard about this guy before. I don't know if it was Bitcoin specific, but either Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency he was not a fan of, and he changed his mind quite recently. When I say recently, I meant in the last 2 to 3 years. But I know this guy. I recognize his picture. That profile picture, I don't think there's any other like it. It's just weird. Looks like he's trying to be Superman. So it's interesting what he's doing with his company, and it's a smart strategy. Now, people might think he's being too reliant on Bitcoin,